Hi guys, this is Tim Demore speaking from the Skyrocket Strategy channel. So here you have our M&A target screening matrix template. So the objective of this short video is to describe a bit what it is and show you around how you can use it in your own kind of situation. So first, as you know, in M&A, one of the first missions is to define a long list of potential targets. And the best practice is to visualize them on a matrix to narrow down the list according to the business objectives of the acquirer. So to do this, I decided to create a template which enables to strategically position quite a large number of targets from multiple industries. So on the right-hand side here, you can see the theory based on two major axes. So target business compatibility with company X, which is your company, company X, and second, target business attractiveness, which is the business that you're looking to, or the businesses that you're looking to acquire. And according to the positioning, you can have different outcomes. So the theory like this is quite nice, but how do you concretely put this in action? So I decided to create an actual model behind this theory, which is what you have on the left here. It enables you to position various different targets in the matrix in multiple industries, if that's pertinent in your case, or other kinds of segmentations. So let's have a look what's behind there. So what you need to do is first to read the theory a bit, then second, right-hand click on the graph and click Edit Data in Excel. That should open the Excel model behind, which you see here. So the way it works is simple. So we have an overall score for both axes for each target business. And for each axis, you have many factors that you can take into consideration. I've put some examples here for each one. So target business attractiveness, you would like to have size, financials, global strategy, team, assets, sales, technology. You can play on the weights and then define the scores for each sub-factor of each of these major factors. So for like sizes, turnover, headcount, valuation, and things like that. And same for target business compatibility, strategy, markets, culture, and location, and with the sub-factors. So once you've inputted all the cells in yellow here with a score from 0 to 1, everything updates here. And then if we go back to the model, the companies are then plotted in the graph, and you can adjust the look and feel of it. And voila, we have a nice looking matrix which you can present to your board, or if you're a strategy consultant, to your client. If you have any questions on this M&A target screening and matrix template, feel free to reach out to me via private message on eloquence.com, and I'd be happy to help. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.